Jonah! Jonah Phillip! Jonah! Hey, Jonah! Jonah! Hi! Salty. Hi! Say hi, Aunt Elizabeth! Hello! Jonah! Hello! Jonah! Jonah! Jonah Phillip Carruthers! Hello! You have a hair on your nose, I can see it.
Try again.
Uh,
Where is the letter V?
see that little
Keep on
bruise?
trying. Where
That is
the
where he
letter
fell off the
V?
bed. I don't know if you see it there. He's got a little one on his little leggy right here. Very sad, isn't it? This is the saddest thing that ever happens to you. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's the saddest thing that ever happened to Jonah.
Where is the dragon?